Are you looking for how to do column reverse on Elementor? What I mean by column reverse is this item, you could see how it's displayed on desktop. On mobile, I want the instead of the text to display first, I want the image to display first on mobile, then the text. So you could see how it is displaying now. The text and the header is comparable. I want everything on mobile to the image first, then the text. So let's get right into it and see how we could achieve this. So previously, you just you select your mobile view. When you select your mobile view, you go to direction. When you go to direction, you see the column reverse, that's the arrow pointing up. You click on it and automatically these have been reversed, and you can see the image is coming first and the text have gone below. So do you learn anything from this? If you learned something, please like, comment, share, as this will encourage me to create more content on WordPress and other